when I called you that we want you to come and commission this Orochiriworuko flyover, you graciously accepted. I want to sincerely, on behalf of our people, thank you. So many people, since people knew that you were coming to commission this flyover, so many people have been saying, why did we invite Lagos State Governor? Why now? And I have asked them a question. When is the time stipulated for me to invite you to come and commission flyover? The Minister of Works, Fashola, was here. Governor of Ekiti State was here. Minister of Sports was here. Minister of Health was here. Vice President was here. So why is this one so worrying people? So those of you who want to have hypertension, have hypertension. I have no regret of inviting you to come and commission this project. So I'm very, very happy. Your Excellency, I read online this day where somebody was criticizing that Wike is possessed with the spirit of flyovers. That instead of him to pay salaries, pensioners, and gratuities, he's building flyovers everywhere. First of all, let me say, if there's one state that pays salary regularly, it is this state. Let me also say, every month we pay pensioners. Let me also state, since we have been paying gratuities, have you been hearing anybody talk again on radio? So no amount of blackmail. If you like, go to this day. If you like, go to Arise. Whatever you want to say, say. The people of the state are happy. And that's what matters to me.